Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mute someone on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to mute someone on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys you can mute the person you want to from different ways. We'll be proceeding to some of them. Now in order to mute someone, either you can mute their stories or post or the calls and messages, so we'll be learning to mute all of those. So in order to do that guys, if the person whom you want to mute is available on the story section like over here, you can just tap and hold on the person's account which you want to mute, and the mute option will be available for us at the bottom of the screen where it is the profile and the mute. Simply tap on the mute and you'll be able to mute the stories and post both together. It's upon you guys. So with that being said, let's cancel this. Now in order to proceed from over here, you can also mute that person's messages and calls also. To do that, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the messenger icon of Instagram. Tap on it, and over here you can go to that person's account and customize it, or you can just tap and hold that account and you will be just able to mute the messages and calls from over here, and you can choose your time. Let's tap, I'll be just tapping on until I change it. So let's tap on open that account, tap on your name again at the top of the screen, and you can see there is the unmute button available for us. If you tap on it, you can see we had muted their messages. Now it has turned to mute, so you can also choose to mute them from on their profile. So you can choose the time, and you can see this is how you mute the messages and calls with the stories and posts. And there guys, this is how to mute someone on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.